Hi, I'm Crystal, and if you're interested in tech, you should listen to me. Whether you're a fresh graduate looking to switch careers or trying to rise above the others, this is your chance to make that happen. Let me introduce you to Tesa. That is the Tech Skills Accelerator program by Qucoon Academy. It's not your average training program. This is a chance for your career to be charged up for free. It entails 3 months of learning, hands-on projects, and mentorship. You also stand a high chance to be employed by top companies right after. Think about it. You could go from I'm interested in tech to I'm exactly what the right companies are looking for. Don't believe me? Check this out. Every Tesa candidate has a profile on our leaderboards. Companies can literally see your skills and your scores. It's like LinkedIn but on steroids. All candidates from the last cohort got hired, and I mean literally every single one of them. Here's where we are right now. Cohort 2 is currently ongoing, and all these candidates are already making waves and top companies are already subscribed to watching them. Great news! Cohort 3 is just around the corner. People are already securing their spots in Cohort 3 and you don't want to miss out. If you're serious about building your future in tech, now is the time to act. Join the waitlist using the link because it is worth it, and it is free. And because it is free, it is very rigorous. We pick the best of the best. Are you ready? Take that step, hit that link, join the waitlist. Let's make it happen.